Welcome to another episode of Comet Minute. I'm Mike Moore, Athletic Director at Mayville State. Today I want to talk a little bit about facilities. We just had a ribbon cutting ceremony a few days ago in regard to our HBR Old Gym Replacement Project. So we've now moved in and are well underway in the new facility. So we're very excited about that and what it will bring to the academic side and the athletic side in physical education and athletics. So it's been a great project. We're very thankful for that. I would like to thank our administration for supporting the project and bringing it forward, in particular President Hagan and Mr. Benson for making the presentation at the state legislature a few years ago in making our case. And then I'd like to also thank the legislature for seeing the impact that it could have on Mayville State and for supporting the funding of this project to the tune of about $5.8 million. So it's been a very nice project for us. It's going to give us a good shot in the arm to keep us moving forward. There's a lot of positive momentum at Mayville State, and facilities is key to that. As I mentioned the day of the ribbon cutting in athletics, there's two prongs, scholarships and facilities. And facilities these days, unfortunately, has become kind of an arms race, and you've got to be able to keep up. Kids these days are looking hard at what you've got. If you just look up and down the valley and across North Dakota and down to the Twin Cities, kind of from the NFL to the NAI, there's new facilities that are going up, and so it's imperative that in order for us to keep progressing and keep competitive, it's imperative that we continue to improve. So again, we're thankful for the facilities and the people that are involved in making that happen, and we're looking forward to putting it into good use. So with that, we'll look forward to talking to you next time. In the meantime, go Comets.